Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another retro unboxing. On this episode we have a real treat for you, a true fan favourite. It's the Anne Boleyn kit from 1998. Part of a range which included Henry VIII and Napoleon, this Anne Boleyn kit is in 1/12 scale and is made up of just 25 parts. Born in 1507, the youngest daughter of Thomas and Elizabeth Boleyn, Anne spent her early childhood at Hever Castle in Kent. She moved to the court of Henry VIII in 1522 and 11 years later became his second wife. 3 years later, on the 19th of May 1536, Anne was tried and charged with treason, found guilty and beheaded at the Tower of London. 22 years later, in 1558, her only daughter was crowned Elizabeth I. The head is on this sprue and it looks really good, fitted with the iconic bee necklace. If you ever build one of the historic 1/12 figures, let me know in the comments below and we'll see you next month for another retro unboxing.